system is a pseudo system, right?
Here's the thing, though. A printed currency system. Let me throw my ideas out here. The printed currency system has the capacity to be a workable system. It's just value placeholders. We've used value placeholders. The fault lies in human frailty. It's use versus abuse. The colonial government system, mandatory behavior, is not a workable system. That's an ideology.
Okay.
So the printed currency, I mean, legit, it's just numbers. It's just numbers in the cloud at this point. And it's okay with so many people going on, hey, oh, wow, we're trading, right? Hey, I'm trading with you. I'm trading with, 20 different people every day. And a variety, oh, how much for this and this? Okay, well, I'll give you 5 for 20, and then it's a different thing, and, they get 6 for 20, and someone else gets 3 for 20, and it's a different, it's just simply trying to keep track of everything. So, I mean, ostensibly using a value placeholder, and again, where's a rock? I could give you, I don't want to get too deep into it because I know I've said it a million times before, but, 1 rock equals 3 salmon, whatever, we agree on something, I give you 3 rocks and you go into Le Target, go into Target and say, here's my 3 rocks. I did some editorial work for Kraig and MyBizGuide. They're, oh, okay, yeah. Grab some toilet paper, milk, and toothpaste, whatever,
Yeah.
It's just, that's all we're doing. We're just showing people, oh, look, I've got this, in the bank. And it's just, yeah. So the printed currency system, I believe that's just a system that's it's viable. I really don't see any problem with it. It's just the misuse, just the misuse. Same way, we could say same thing with alcohol, medicine, that kind of thing. It's the misuse, words, all that kind of thing. It's a misuse versus, again. But when you start mandating behavior, when there's written laws saying what people can and can't do, that doesn't work. That's a pseudo system.